Welcome! My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. What's your name? I'm happy to see you here. Say hello in the comments. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. Let's go! Starfish. What do you see? I see a starfish. I see a red starfish. In the sea. Where does a starfish live? A starfish lives in the sea. Dolphin. What do you see? I see a dolphin. I see a blue dolphin. In the sea. Where does a dolphin live? A dolphin lives in the sea. Octopus. What do you see? I see an octopus. I see a pink octopus. In the sea. Where does an octopus live? An octopus lives in the sea. What do you see? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for learning today. Post a comment or question below. Send me an audio PM of your English. I'd love to hear you. See you soon.